Hi guys, what's up? It's Sit by Lolo. I'm here today in the Pilates studio. I am going to be showing you my 5 go-to back workouts that I do on the Pilates reformer. This is going to help tone and sculpt that back. Are you ready to get to work? Let's go. So all you need is the Pilates box, and we're going to be using the reformer straps. So grab your box. We're going to put it on long ways. So set it on to your carriage. You don't need your headrest up. So we're going to put that box on long ways just like that. And then you're going to put on a blue and a white spring, or a blue, or if you are really beginner, you can do a white. But let's get onto our box and grab those reformer straps. We're going to start off with a back row. So you're just going to roll your arms back. You want to really tuck those elbows into that waist and extend all the way out. If you want it easier, you can come down. And if you want more of a challenge, you can actually stand all the way up, do a squat, and roll the arms back. Okay, next you're going to lay down flat onto the box, just like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to choke up on the ropes. And you're going to activate that glute as well by lifting up those heels and squeezing that glute. Now we're going to row out. This is going to really work those lats in that back. And this is such a good move. And by squeezing those legs while you're doing the motion, you're actually activating your whole body. And you want to really reach out wide. Okay, so we're going to cross those straps over and we're going to face pulse. So you're going to keep those heels up so you're activating that lower back and that upper back. By lifting up those legs, you're going to really feel that lower back super engaged, as well as the shoulders and the back. These are a lot harder than they look. So hang up those reformer straps, and you can bring yourself up. And we're going to take off that box. We're going to get back on to the reformer. Now we are going to grab your straps again. You're going to cross them over. What you want to do is you want to push your hips back, suck that core in, and we're going to do straight back pulls like this. Open it up. It's like a reverse of the hug a tree that I showed you. So this one, we're going to sit onto the carriage and you're going to ride your knees up to the shoulder rest, and we're going to work those lats. So grab the bottom of the carriage and you're just going to slowly pull yourself through, and it's going to work that whole lat and back, and you can see it activating. And you want to make sure you really squeeze that core in. If you want it to be harder, you can choke up higher so you have more weight. Or you can increase the spring load. Okay, wow, my back is actually so destroyed right now by showing you those movements. So you can only imagine how badly they're gonna burn when you're doing them yourself. I hope you try these out or get a chance to head on to a reformer and try out something new. But I will see you next time. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.